大家好，我叫黃女晴，我今日會分享一本書。Kipper was having fun with Lee. They had a drink. Hic, said Kipper. He had hiccups. Quick to get a cup of water, said Lee. If that get rid of them, said Lee. Hic, said Kipper. Hic. Try to drink like this, said Beef. If that rid of them, said Beef. Hic, said Kipper. Try hopping and punching a top, said Chip. If that rid of them, said Chip. Hic, said Kipper. A shark will get rid of them, said Beef. And then, boom! You get rid of my hiccup, said Kipper. Hic, said Grandma Chair. Hic. 多謝大家。